अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम फर्स्ट ईयर इंग्लिश बुक 1 चैप्टर नंबर 12 द गिफ्ट ऑफ द मेजाई की कंप्लीट एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, जिसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है चूज द करेक्ट आंसर। जेम्स डिलिंघम यंग्स had two valuable things. Option A, a house and a car. Option B, a necklace and a clock. Option C, TV and VCR. Option D, Jim's gold watch and Dela's hair. Option D is the correct option, Jim's gold watch and Dela's hair. Dela's hair was more beautiful than any. Option A, painting. Option B, palace. Option C, queen's jewels and gifts. Option D, scene. Option C is the correct option, queen's jewels and gifts. Dela's hair reached below her. Option A, neck. Option B, back. Option C, feet. Option D, knee. Option D is the correct option, knee. Down fell the brown waterfall means option A, the stream flowed down. Option B, the brown waterfall fell down. Option C, Della's hair fell down. Option D, the brown water fell down. Option C is the correct option, Della's hair fell down. What did she buy for Jim? Option A, a watch. Option B, a gold watch chain. Option C, a necktie. Option D, a shirt. Option B is the correct option, a gold watch chain. What was common in Jim and the watch chain? Option A, simplicity. Option B, quietness. Option C, value. Option D, quietness and value. Option D is the correct option, quietness and value. With her short hair, she looked wonderfully like a option A, young girl. Option B, schoolboy. Option C, dame. Option D, woman. Option D is the correct option, schoolboy. What did Della pray? Option A, may he think her still pretty. Option B, may she live long. Option C, may she had long hair again. Option D, may she remain pretty. Option A is the correct option, may he think her still pretty. No one can count Della's. Option A, feelings. Option B, love. Option C, hair. Option D, jewels. Option B is the correct option, love. Jim bought a gift of option A, watch. Option B, shoes. Option C, clips. Option D, combs. Option D is the correct option, the combs. Question number 2 है mark the sentences true or false. The gold watch belonged to Jim's father. True. Jim knew that no king had anything so valuable as the gold watch. True. Dilla sold her hair for $20. True. For 3 hours, she seemed to fly from shop to shop to find a gift. False. She could not do anything with $1.87. True. Jim took his dinner at 8. False. Jim was paid $20 a week. False. Both could not live through Christmas without exchanging gifts. True. She refused to have the gift of the combs. False. The gifts were too nice to use on Christmas. True. Question number 3 है answer the following questions. How much did Della save for Christmas? इसका आंसर है she could save only $1.87. Why did Della feel pride in the beauty of her hair? इसका आंसर है Della's hair looked like a falling stream of brown water. It reached below her knee. She felt pride in the beauty of her hair. Why did Della sell her hair? इसका आंसर है she sold her hair to get money to buy a gift for her husband at Christmas. Why did Jim sell the gold watch? इसका आंसर है he sold his gold watch to get money to buy a gift for his wife at Christmas. Why did they want to present the gifts? इसका आंसर है they could not be happy at Christmas without giving gifts to each other. It is because they loved each other. Why did she feel sad about losing her hair? इसका आंसर है She had a long, beautiful hair. She was sad about losing them. She feared that Jim might hate her without her hair. Why did Jim not welcome her when he stepped in? इसका आंसर है Jim could not welcome her because he was stunned to see Della without her long beautiful hair. He had bought combs for her hair, but her hair had gone. Why did Jim bring out from his coat? इसका आंसर है from the pocket of his coat. He took something out tied in a paper. They were beautiful combs for Della. How beautiful was the gold watch chain? इसका आंसर है it was a simple chain. Its value was in its rich and pure material. Its gold seemed to shine softly. What was the wisdom in selling the most valuable things? इसका आंसर है both the lovers wanted to give a gift to each other, but both did not have any money to buy gifts. They sold their valuable things to buy gifts for each other. Question number 4 है answer the following questions in 50 to 100 words. इसमें first question है how did the Magi want to celebrate their Christmas? इसका आंसर है the Magi wanted to celebrate their Christmas by paying homage to the newborn Christ child. They brought with them gold, frankincense and myrrh. फ्रैंकिनसेंस का मतलब है खुशबूदार गोंद और मायर का मतलब है लोबान. हाउ मच अटैच्ड टू ईच अदर आर दे इन द स्टोरी? इसका आंसर है बोथ द लवर्स लव ईच अदर. दे सेल देयर वैल्यूएबल थिंग्स टू गेट मनी टू बाय गिफ्ट्स फॉर ईच अदर. व्हाई डिड दे सेल देयर ब्यूटीफुल वैल्यूएबल थिंग्स? इसका आंसर है एज दे डिड नॉट हैव इनफ मनी टू बाय गिफ्ट्स फॉर ईच अदर. They sold their valuable things to get money to buy gifts for each other. Describe the story in words of your own. इसका आंसर है Della sells her hair to buy a chain for the gold watch of her husband. Jim sells his gold watch to buy combs for his wife's beautiful long hair. They are the real Magi. What is the moral of the story? इसका आंसर है The story teaches us that love is the real valuable thing in life. Material things are not important in life. The true and sincere feeling of love are important. Question number 6 है punctuate the following lines. यहाँ पे आपको इन लाइंस की पंक्चुएशन करके दे दी गई है. आई होप आपको आज की वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. अगर आपको आज की वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें. नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज.